Hey everyone, welcome back. So this is day 2. I've just been deconstructing a little bit more here, and now basically I'm going to be popping my gloves on. The previous day got pretty gross and messy. I ended up washing my hair. It was so gross with all the dust and the debris and just a lot of gross stuff. So I'm gloving up and popping a hat on because, yeah, I just didn't want stuff to get into my hair again. Also to popping on a mask. So trying to lessen all that dust that's going into my lungs. Anyway, I'm gonna let the video do most of the talking. Yeah, so a very much loved pony and a strawberry shortcake doll. I'm popping those ones aside so my kid can go through any kind of toys and memorabilia, if they want to keep anything or not. And now we're up to the cupboard of chaos. Anyway, as you can see, this is just like absolutely chock-a-block. So definitely need to go through everything. I haven't touched this stuff for like several years. Time to go through, get rid of everything. But we're at the end of the day and I kind of just went, yep, that's it. There's a few bags of rubbish over near the bin, and this is all some some stuff in boxes that I'm keeping, my old kids' baby stuff, my old teddies and Cabbage Patch dolls. But this is the end of day 2. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.